Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill in tax return full guide. Begin by gathering every income document and identity number you need, including W-2s, Form 1099, and Social Security details. Next, sort deductions and receipts into categories so you can enter them quickly into your chosen tax software or form. Finally, note common credits and standard deduction options to determine the best filing path for your situation. Start by reporting each income source exactly as listed on official documents, including W-2 wages and Form 1099 amounts. Enter business or freelance earnings and set aside self-employment tax and deductible business expenses where applicable. Don't forget to record interest, dividends, and any other taxable income so totals match your statements. Carefully reconcile totals before moving to adjustments and credits to avoid mismatches during filing. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear and practical videos. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers because organizing receipts feels less chaotic when lunch is sorted, and they save time during busy tax weeks. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can pick them up easily. And if you enjoy small productivity wins, this is a fun, useful tool. Now let's get back to the video. Decide whether to itemize deductions or take the standard deduction by estimating which yields a larger tax benefit, and keep documentation for each choice. Apply any eligible credits, such as education or childcare credits, which directly lower your tax liability and can significantly reduce what you owe. Organize receipts and mileage logs now to support claims and simplify audits, and calculate both pre-tax adjustments and final taxable income before filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.